Have you ever walked past a garden full of tulips and thought, how do they look so perfect? Bright colors, elegant shapes, standing tall after a long winter. Well, today I'll show you exactly how to plant them, nurture them, and help them return, stronger and more beautiful each year. Let's start at the beginning. Planting. Tulips grow from bulbs, not seeds, and timing matters. The best time to plant tulip bulbs is in autumn, between late September and early November, before the ground freezes. Why? Because tulip bulbs need the cold. They rest underground all winter, gathering energy for that burst of spring color. Now find a sunny spot. Tulips love full sunlight, at least 6 hours a day. But what they hate is waterlogged soil, so make sure the area drains well. If your soil is heavy, mix in some sand or compost. Dig a hole about 6 to 8 inches deep, roughly 3 times the height of your bulb. Space each bulb about 4 to 6 inches apart so they have room to grow. Place them gently in the hole, with the pointed end facing up. That's where the leaves will emerge. Sprinkle a little compost or bulb fertilizer at the bottom. Cover them with soil and water them once, just enough to settle the dirt, and that's it. Your tulips are tucked in for their long winter nap. Now you wait. When spring finally comes, something magical happens. Tiny green shoots push through the soil, reaching for the light, and soon those first buds appear. Red, yellow, pink, purple, every color you can imagine. This is the nurturing stage. Keep the soil slightly moist, but never soaked. If the season is dry, give them a little water once a week. Remove weeds and dead leaves so the bulbs get all the nutrients they need. And when the flowers bloom, enjoy them fully. Don't cut too many leaves. They are the plant's way of collecting sunlight and feeding the bulb for next year. Now comes the most important part, helping them return. After the flowers fade, cut off the spent blooms. But leave the leaves and stems, don't remove them yet. Let them turn yellow and dry naturally. During this time, the plant is working quietly underground, sending energy back into the bulb. This is how you ensure next year's blooms are even stronger. Once the foliage is completely dry, you can dig up the bulbs if you wish. Brush off the dirt, let them dry in a cool, airy place for a few days, and then store them in a paper bag or a mesh container. Keep them somewhere dark and dry, around 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, until it's time to plant again in the fall. Or, if your winters are mild and not too wet, you can simply leave them in the ground, and they might surprise you next year. Tulips are more than flowers. They're symbols of renewal, of patience, of beauty that comes after rest. With a little care and attention, they'll reward you every spring, bursting from the soil, painting your garden with color and life. So plant your bulbs, nurture them with love, and remember, even after the coldest winter, the tulips will always find their way back.